Black Lives Matter. I'm standing right in the end. Like this is real surreal. Like a lot of states actually did this. A lot of states did it. And a lot of states, they're actually trying to pass the bill to get this removed from the middle of the street. So if you stay in Oklahoma, even if you don't stay in Oklahoma, I'm still gonna drop that link, and y'all go vote for them not to remove this, because this is really a piece of we're actually being a piece of history right now.
Forever, baby. Would you love me forever, baby?
Whatever, everybody. What's good? Man, what y'all doing today? What's good, everybody? I've been sitting here for like 20 minutes trying to decide on greeting for you guys. I don't know what I should say. But, alright, let me just get right into it. Today, we're doing a different type of video. Today, I'm going to go visit that Black Lives Matter mural that it's on Black Wall Street, which was known as Black Wall Street, and it's going to forever be known as Black Wall Street. If y'all don't know what it is, I'm going to drop the clip. It's going to be a little flyover or whatever the case, whatever it is. I'm going to put a picture on there. But I've never personally seen the mural, and I've never seen, like, you know what I'm saying, been down there and actually like been for myself. They're trying to take it away. Before they do take it away, I'm gonna go look at it and see, you know what I'm saying, just go visit it, because like it's iconic. It's gonna be a part of history, to be honest with you. And if y'all if y'all don't stay in Oklahoma, like, you know what I'm saying, y'all don't know about the history, but Black Wall Street, Tulsa Race Massacre, Tulsa Race Riot, as others name it, in 1921, Black Wall Street was booming. A lot of black-owned businesses was out there. It was really only black-owned businesses out there, and the rest is history. If y'all want to know about it, just go look it up. A lot of people made songs about it. June made a song about it. It's in the history books. We got it's like a little mini, like, kind of like memorial museum thing down at the Greenwood Cultural Center in Oklahoma and Tulsa, if y'all ever want to come down and look at it or check it out. But yeah, y'all just getting ready with me right now. As y'all can see, I'm in the boogie bonnet. I'm in the muscle tee. I'm about to jump in the shower real quick. But I'm gonna see y'all after I jump about this middle in the shower. Nah. What the fuck? Nah. We're gonna take a trip down to Black Wall Street, but before we do that, you gotta brush your teeth. If you don't brush your teeth, your breath stink.
What's up, y'all? I just pulled up to the Black Lives Matter mural. I'm about to go get something to eat first, because on the street, on the little strip, it's like, it got hella food and shit out here. On a little, what did you call it? Greenwood. Greenwood. I think this is Greenwood Street shit. I don't know. I live here and don't even know. That's crazy. But first, I got a stop to make. It's a t-shirt shop. If you are, y'all gonna see when I get there. Y'all gonna see. I'm gonna turn the camera when I get there, because it's starting to sprinkle and I don't want the camera getting. That long walk to the place you was going to and you forgot your mask because it's a pandemic still. Yeah, I hate it. Hate it with a passion. But I'm about to grab this mask real quick, and then we gonna go back to where we was just going. I really don't even feel like y'all can hear me, to be honest with you. So I'm just gonna record when I get into this motherfucker, because I know y'all motherfuckers, y'all can't hear me, because I can barely hear my damn self. To the mural, I had to stop and get some food because I had eaten all day. I don't know if y'all can hear me, I got the camera up to my face. So I had to stop and get me some food. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, you know. I get called up. So yeah, I had to stop and get something to eat. I ain't put nothing in my stomach the whole day. When I woke, like I said, y'all see me. I woke up, got in the shower. Already got dressed, and then I left the house. So I'm gonna go over the mural right now. I ain't gonna show you over there. Y'all probably already seen it. I started out the camera on the bed. But it started raining, so I just come inside. I was waiting inside. Want me something to eat? Came down to Wanda J's. I ain't never ate it before. I ain't even see it all the time, but I ain't never had it. I decided for the first time. I got a cheeseburger. I got a bacon cheeseburger actually with some fries. I got a large drink. It's very affordable. Well, people didn't eat it. Everybody else did. Because there's some fat guys here on the street. Like, I rather come support my own black-owned businesses. And I dropped the link to the description. I dropped the link in the description. You know what I'm saying? Where they located at on greenwood and everything like that. So if y'all live in Tulsa Oklahoma, y'all probably already had it. I'm probably late. I probably ain't never had it. So I'm probably not my only person that ain't never had it yet. But let's see if it's good enough. I'm just waiting on it. Supposed to be linking with Pat later, but I don't know. Pat be on that bullshit. The other day, he had me waiting on for like 2 hours. And then after we linked with Pat, I don't know what we're doing after that. It started sprinkling, bro. But as y'all can see it, it's right here. I actually like what they doing around here. It's bringing the community together, to be honest with you. Somebody actually went through and sprayed. Somebody came through with some blue paint and put it all over the pavement. They put it all over the pavement, and they vandalized the mural that was painted out here. You can probably still see the blue paint. It's still kind of like still through here. They walked through and it all up. But they went like I think the next day, after they vandalized it, the very next day, they came through and fixed it. They came through, fixed everything. So I like the fact that the community is together on that subject right there. Y'all probably can barely hear me because I'm right up under this highway, but I've never just came down here and just actually been on like Greenwood. Like this was the historical Black Wall Street. Like I'm actually standing out here, and it's real surreal. Like when you actually from a place that you never just know. You know what I'm saying? You know the history of it because I went to a school about this. Like a lot of people don't know, but they used to have Freedom School, and I actually went to Freedom School, and it was basically teaching us Black history, and it was all about Black history. And they stopped it. They stopped doing it for a while. I don't know if they still do it. I'm gonna have to look into it. But yeah, it was actually fun as a kid, to be honest with you. And I met a lot of people, made a lot of bonds, connections, and networks, people that I know to this day. This is the Black Lives Matter. I'm standing right in the end. Like this is real surreal. Like a lot of states actually did this. A lot of states did it. And a lot of states, they're actually trying to pass the bill to get this removed from the middle of the street. So if you stay in Oklahoma, even if you don't stay in Oklahoma, I'm still gonna drop that link, and y'all go vote for them not to remove this, because this is really a piece of we're actually being a piece of history right now. Like we're being a part of history about, you know what I'm saying, equality and everybody coming together. This is unity, bro. Like after they vandalized this, somebody came through and put blue paint all across her, and the very next day, like that next morning, there was people out here painting it again. And I just like that. I like the unity in the community right there. But this is what I'm about to show y'all next is this is actually the Black-owned businesses that was on Wall Street when the race massacre actually happened, when the race riot actually happened. They burned down, and these is like they specified was whether it was not reopened, or if it was reopened again. And I'm gonna just show y'all. Like I'm not gonna speed past it though. actually destroyed during the riots that happened. Now that the hot ass mask is off my face, I'm gonna bleep that out. But we're gonna check out this other mural that they got. Kids came and painted. Well, it was really kids, adults. It was a lot of people that came out here and painted whenever the protest was going on. When George Floyd was actually killed. R.I.P. George Floyd. That was really. I can't even explain. Because me being a black man, y'all hear the cars and shit passing by. But me being a black man, like I can only imagine, like how he felt, like in his final moments, and that was just a real tragic thing that happened, and it shouldn't have happened. It shouldn't even came to that point. But this is the little thing that the kids came and did. It was adults out here too. Let me see. It was adults out. Come share your dream. I have a dream chalk and paint. They came. They did everything. Like they provided the chalk and the paint for everybody to come out here and do it. It was a church. Church. So you got the kids down there. Y'all wanna put something out here? What color we gonna do? Let's do blue. I'm gonna make something, put something out here. I don't know where I wanna do it at. I think I wanna do it under the I Have a Dream. Yeah, let's do it under the I Have a Dream. Y'all gonna be a part of this. It was chalk right here, I didn't even see that. Let me get this chalk, it's the big one. But yeah, I'm gonna do it right under the I Have a Dream. A lot of you might not know, but my uncle was killed by a police officer. That's actually who I'm named after. His name was Keon Ramsey McShann. And I got his name, and he was killed literally, I wasn't even 2 yet. Yeah, he was killed in 1999. It was a semi-big story, but it wasn't at the same time because they swept it under the rug because they tried to say that he tried to stab the police officer. He was shot 6 times. If you want to, you can look up the story. I'll put the link in the description. I'm plugging a lot of things on this vlog, on this educational video. But yeah, if you want to, you can go look at the story on your own. He was shot 6 times. He was handcuffed, and he was in the back of a police car with a metal wall in between both of them. But I'm about to write Boogie, write Unity, and then I'm gonna put Boogie. I don't know what message I'm gonna put on here. I might just say Unity. I'm gonna say Black Lives Matter. BLM. I really should have did the crosshair. Yeah, I'm gonna do the crosshair. Though. I don't want to take up too much space. I'm gonna spell Boogie right here. And then I'm gonna put Clyde. Because I don't want to touch that. Make sure you return the chalk back right there. I got chalk all on my hands. But I had to show y'all this wall too. So if y'all in Tulsa, you live in Tulsa, you live in Oklahoma, come out and, you know what I'm saying? Come out and show your respects, pay your respects. Come out here and do right on the wall. It's chalk out here for you to come out here and do it. It's 3 chalk boxes. There's one right there, there's one right there, and there's one on the far end down there. And some people put a lot of inspirational things out here on this wall. But yeah, I might conclude the vlog here, or I might just go on some more. But I know I'm gonna have to do an outro anyway. Yeah. Put me on this walk to the car. But I'll get back with y'all whenever I figure out what I'm gonna do. I might record again when I get to the house and like do some little pop-ups, some little what's the names up on the screen or whatever. But I'll let y'all know. Alright, I'm gonna walk back to the car. I decide I'm going to conclude the vlog here. If you haven't told somebody today that you love them, tell them you love them. Loved ones, stranger, don't matter. Just make sure you let somebody know. Spread positivity. With all this going around today, we need positivity in this world. So go ahead and spread some positivity today. So if you even told somebody, you know what I'm saying, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, tell them, you know what I'm saying, just spread positivity, because that's what we need in this world today. And I really just hope everybody doing good. So I'm gonna conclude the vlog right here.